100 miles an hour. Well, if you've ever been to a baseball game and you've seen a pitcher pitch a fastball, you know that that thing is flying pretty fast. Now, I've got a several drones, and the one drone that I'm using right now is DJI Mavic Pro, and that drone can flies around at a max speed with being able to use all its sensors of probably about 23 miles an hour. But I can put it into a sport mode. In a sport mode, essentially takes it out of my sense and avoid sensors on there. So, and it really flies pretty fast. So I normally do urban environments and I don't fly anything, with excessive speed because I've got smaller lots that I'm looking at and things of that nature. But 100 miles an hour is pretty fast, and I'm still kind of baffled as to why it's that fast. But you can't fly your drone over 100 miles an hour, and I don't really know of any drones that can get up to 100 miles an hour right now.